probably wondering, like, how is she gonna crochet this hair on her head and she don't have any hair? Hey guys, it's Shine. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Make sure that you do not leave without hitting that subscribe button. Also, make sure that you tap the bell button so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. Okay, let's jump right into this video. So Leeven Hair Store sent me some hair. And it shipped pretty fast. I talked to them, I think on like a Wednesday last week, and the hair was here by Monday. The hair came in this little package right here, and they sent me 2 of these. There are 3 packs of hair in each package. Oh, cute, look. They also have a crochet needle and like some cute little accessories in the package as well. That was neat. So yeah, there's 3 packages of hair in each green package. So altogether they sent me 6 packages of hair. And this hair is for this is spring twist hair. It's the color T27. And I know you're probably wondering, like, how is she gonna crochet this hair on her head and she don't have any hair? So, when I got this crochet cap from my local beauty supply, it was $3.99. It's by Model. So it's just a cap, like a mesh cap that I'm able to crochet just directly onto the cap. And it also has combs in it. There's 1 comb in the back. And then we got 2 in the front right here. And so yep. And it's a really nice fit. This elastic band is not tight at all, but I mean it fits perfectly. This is gonna do for now. So I'm gonna show you guys how I crochet this onto this cap, and then let you guys know what's up with this hair, okay? Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, I have finished majority of the hair of the wig cap. And this is all that I have left. And I still have this 1 bundle of hair left over. So there's 30 pieces of hair in each bundle. And I doubled up the hair for each spring curl, because I wanted it to be kind of big and fluffy. So each bundle gave me 15 spring twists. And this hair is super soft. It didn't tangle at all. Whenever I need to separate it, separate it very easily. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I installed a couple of the spring twists. Okay, so we got 2 twists right here. Just add them together. So I'm going to add the needle under 2 of the mesh holes, and then go ahead and add the hair on as you would if you were, crocheting anything. And then just pull it one side through. And so we got, this is what we have right now. So just go to each piece and gently pull it apart all the way down to the end of the curl, and I leave it like that. So this is how I pull it apart right here, and I leave the end part curled. And you do that to all the pieces. You see how easily it's pulling apart? Spring twists look a certain way. Like, you see that they're really coily and they're like super curly or like super springy. So I realized when I was first doing these, I was twisting the wrong way, and I'm like, this is not what a spring twist is supposed to look like. So I was twisting right over left first, and it gave me this really ugly curl. And so I went back and I twisted left over right, and that's what gave me the correct spring twist that I was looking for. So you just take it and you twist all the way down to the end. So when you get down to the end where you didn't really pull these end curls apart, they'll just kind of wrap into each other so that the ends look so much neater instead of looking really ragged and rough looking at the end. And they'll just kind of like form a curl into each other, and so you'll just have like one curl at the end, like so. And I say that because when I first started them, I was pulling them apart all the way down to the end. So I said, let me stop pulling them all the way apart to the end, and you know, keep the curl at the end. And this is the result it gave me when I started doing that. So I got a couple of them like this, but majority of them are like this. And so yeah, there we have a full spring twist. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out so y'all can see what it looks like at home. Okay. So after about 5 minutes of playing with this and trying to tame it, this is what I came up with. Okay, so first I just want to say that this hair is amazing. It coiled beautifully to give me the spring twist that I wanted. I think the thing that I dislike the most is this crochet cap. I probably would never use this crochet cap method ever again, just because I don't like the way it looks. It's this little band right here, a little elastic band. I kind of had to like tuck it in, but you see it right there. And so once I got it situated, I just kind of tucked it in. But I didn't like that. And then like up in the front, where like wherever you wanna, you know, have your hair laying, whether it's to this side or in the middle, if you don't crochet them close enough together, you'll still see the mesh. With me having to do it that way, I had more, I had to end up putting more spring twist up in the front than in the back. So when if I was to take this, I'm just taking off so you have to see. It's just like super big in the front. Like, it's huge. So yeah. That looks crazy. That looks so crazy. This is definitely not gonna work. I'm so not digging this. And I'm tired of fighting with this hair. But yeah, like I said, the hair is pretty dope. If you guys are looking for some hair to do spring twist, I believe they have passion twist hair as well. You guys should definitely check them out. The hair is definitely worth it. Just don't get this crochet cap. This thing is horrible. So I'm gonna just leave the video at that. Shout out to Leeven Hair Store for sending me this beautiful hair. I will leave the link below to their Amazon store where you can go and purchase this hair. If you made it all the way to the end of this video and you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and do so. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.